Alright, we are starting with some breaking inputs coming in. BJP has now raked up the 2012 Karnataka Minority Commission report. This report that was tabled in the State Assembly today shows that 29,000 acres of donated Waqf land was never used to help poor Muslims. BJP has now alleged report mentions names of Congress leaders like Mallikarjun Kharge in the entire incident as well. Let's go, in fact, across to this reaction coming in from Rajiv Chandrasekhar on this. Take a look.
कांग्रेस का एक लंबा सा एक पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री रहा है कि वो माइनॉरिटीज़ को डराएं, घबरा कर रखें और झूठ बोल कर रखें। मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं। 2006 दिसंबर में तब के प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह ने एक बड़ा फेमसली एक बयान दिया था कि माइनॉरिटीज़ को पहला हक है देश के रिसोर्सेज पे। अच्छा, इसका आयरनी ये है कि जब वो कह रहे थे ये, उनके ही नाक के नीचे जो रिसोर्सेज माइनॉरिटी गरीबों के लिए थे वक्फ में, उसका लूट हो रहा था और लूट कर रहे थे उनके ही सो कॉल्ड सेक्युलरिस्ट फ्रेंड। तो ये एक पॉलिटिकल हिपोक्रेसी बहुत सालों से है सेक्युलरिज्म के नाम पर। कांग्रेस का एक लंबा सा एक पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री रहा है कि वो माइनॉरिटीज़ को डराएं, घबरा कर रखें और झूठ बोल कर रखें। मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं। 2006 दिसंबर में तब के प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह ने एक बड़ा फेमसली एक बयान दिया था कि माइनॉरिटीज़ को पहला हक है देश के रिसोर्सेज पे। अच्छा, इसका आयरनी ये है कि जब वो कह रहे थे ये, उनके ही नाक के नीचे जो रिसोर्सेज माइनॉरिटी गरीबों के लिए थे वक्फ में, उसका लूट हो रहा था और लूट कर रहे थे उनके ही सो कॉल्ड सेक्युलरिस्ट फ्रेंड। तो ये एक पॉलिटिकल हिपोक्रेसी बहुत सालों से है सेक्युलरिज्म के नाम पर।
Let's go across to my colleague Aishwarya Kapoor now joining us over the phone line. Aishwarya, this is certainly a big issue that the BJP has raked up. A 2012 Karnataka Minority Commission report that clearly states as to how the 29,000 acre of Waqf land was neither used to help the poor people or Muslims, or neither a hospital that was supposed to be built was done in that.
Absolutely, and this report mentions, according to the BJP senior Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge as well. So when you say that it's a 2012 Karnataka Minority Commission report, and this report, which was tabled in the State Assembly as well, so this is a document which is there in presence of every MLA of Karnataka, which shows that 29,000 acres of land, 29,000 acres of land was donated to Waqf land, was never used for the poor, for the poor, and that is exactly what this land was meant for. So it is not only a scam; it is also said to be a work which has been done against the minorities. And BJP alleges that the report mentions the name of the Congress leaders to the like of Mallikarjun Kharge, who is one of the tallest leaders of the Congress at the present time. So the Congress party needs to come out and then explain. So it is up to the Congress party to see that what has been happening in its own office, what has been happening in its own home. Congress party needs to see that this is a 2012 Karnataka Minority Commission report. It is not an NGO report. It is the 2012 Karnataka Minority Commission report. How will they deny this? And if Mallikarjun Kharge wants to deny this, he would have to officially do it, because this is also a report which was tabled in the State Assembly. So it became the property of the Assembly. Once a report tabled becomes the property of the Assembly, and then it says the Speaker has every right to move on that report. So now that report is the property of the Karnataka Assembly, property of the House, and they can act accordingly. So yes, that is what we are being indicated as well, that BJP, which is very, very clearly and then openly mentioning several Congress leaders, out of which Mallikarjun Kharge, who's one of the top leaders of the Congress party at present, has also been named back in the 2012 Karnataka Minority Commission report.
All right, thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us that perspective.